Hi, I'm Guitar George. We were looking at setting up this guitar. Now we've tackled the first stage, the amount of relief in the neck. Now I need to look at the playing action at this end. So to take out any inconsistencies caused by a high action at the nut, I'm going to put my capo at the first fret. So now any measurement is taken from a straight line from the first fret to the bridge. And I'm going to measure it using my string action gauge. It's a very fine steel rule. I'm using these measurements here, which are 64ths of an inch. And looking at the 17th fret, I would like to see around about 4/64ths of an inch. That is sitting at about 2. No wonder it was buzzing. Likewise on the treble side, I'd probably like about 3/64ths, and that actually on the treble side is about 4.
It's quite difficult to see this, but I've laid the guitar on its side, which gives me an artificial reading. But what I'm measuring is there between the top of the fret and the bottom of the string, in that gap there. So you can see that's about 2/64ths of an inch.
Adjusting a Tune-o-matic bridge is quite easy. Now I want to raise this side and lower this side. Now with the strings across the top, the tension on the thumb wheel is quite tight. So there are two ways I can tackle this. I can use my V-shaped wrench, which has got teeth in there that will grip onto the thumb wheel, and I could turn it quite nicely that way. But I don't like doing that because I risk stripping off the edge of the thumb wheel and damaging it. So what I'm going to do is use my lever, so it will sit just underneath the bridge there, just nicely like that, levering up the bridge, and I can now put a couple of turns on the screw. And what I'll do now is I'll remeasure it and see how much I need to go. On the treble side it was too high. Now because I'm reducing the height, I find it will turn fairly easily just on my fingers. So I've readjusted it a little. Now I need to remeasure and see where I'm going. So once I've made the adjustments, put it back to the playing position and recheck with the action gauge. Now I've got 4/64ths on the bass side and about 3 on the treble side. Don't necessarily get it right first time. It's a case of little at a time until you get the action you want. Now I can a quick double check, see how it plays. There's a hint of fret buzz about the 7th and 9th, but I'll wait and see when I finish the setup, and I'll have a look and see how it plays then. So there we go. That's how to adjust the action height on a Tune-o-matic bridge. For more information, go to my website www.guitar-george.co.uk. You have a good day.